Alright guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. Go to somebody maddest reviews around here. Yeah! Well, you are gonna, you see, today we're gonna review this song. It's called Homeage. A homage by none other than Deva Bratt.
Hot tool.
Deva Bratt. Not a rat, you know. Bratt. Yeah man. Now, Homeage is a song where it's a diss song for his protege Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, Portmore Empire, former Portmore Empire man. So apparently both persons had a fallen, right? And that falling out is from way back when. So about like 2010, 2011 or maybe further, about 2009, from way back when. So that falling out, you know, it led to a lot of, you know, back and forth in for a while and so on. Now Vybz Kartel got released from prison, and since he got released, they did an interview, and this is where I think this song started from, right? So it did an interview with him, and they asked him about some of these people that, you know, some bad blood, and, you know, if as he mend ties with them and so on. And they mentioned Deva Bratt, and, you know, what's the situation between you and Deva Bratt, and he mentioned something about him and his legal issues, why he got kicked out of Portmore Empire. Yes, but apparently Deva Bratt never too like what him said. So Deva Bratt went and did a subsequent interview, you know, after that, and say what him say, and then, you know what, them take off the gloves. The gloves come off. A man say, watch out, tune, you know. So Deva Bratt did this song. And as I say, it's called Homeage, right? So, I'm going to take it in. I'm going to decode, alright, you know, it's a war song. So, you see, because it's a war song, me not red. I'm fire! Because I'm danger, you know. And if I can't manage it too much, me have to draw for me white. Me have to draw for me, use my white still, you know. But, just in case it get too hot, peace. So, you know, we're going to take in this song now.
Alright, well, okay then. Hey, it's a record. It a tape, the book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No use and a batty now fuck on the Gaza. But Hansman brother never straight. What am I trying to do?
Hold on. Me tell you, know, a war song, you know, so you know, have to be careful. Alright, so him say it a record, it a tape. Now those piece of words, that phrase was made famous by Vybz Kartel. It a record, it a tape. Gaza and a rape. That's where it a come from. So him basically I use that to start him song. So as I say, Deva Bratt is a war artist.
Hot tool.
Earlier days. Full of lyrics, can't done. So, me could go further in night now.
Tarnish, me name me rise the rifle, them we varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage, them can't manage. Them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So what them I do? Tarnish, me name me rise the rifle, them we varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage, them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head quag.
Hold on. Well on. Before you start the cussing, let me get this out of the way first. Yeah, hold on a little bit. So I say, I tarnish them, I tarnish him name. I tarnish him name, as I tell you before in the first part, is that what Vybz Kartel said about him and his legal issue, you can go watch that video, there's something about sexual offense is what he was charged for. Yeah. So I say, I tarnish him name, right? And him now show Deva Bratt now homage. And homage is basic, I mean, even know me call the word right. But anyway, the meaning is basically you not give no credit, you know, or not show no respect or no gratitude for what him do. So I support the song homage. Right, so I say him now, so him rise the machine where varnish. Hey, and him say, they will record it at tape, they shot them when fire bigger than grape.
Hot tool.
They want to rush. You hear me? I say, brother, alright, go on. Let me rewrite it a bit more.
Me tell what them I do. Tarnish, me name me rise the rifle, them we varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, to damage, them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy and not daddy in my fuck. I tell man fi eat the red flag. I so Columbia necktie. Back by your brain jump out top frog face when the mug fire, Glock fire.
Hey, may I tell you the truth, you know? When the song done, me tell you what my overall thought on it. But the man not give me a chance to review, brother. Debra, give me a chance, brother. Yo, me I know she got to a man say first slide, you know? Yo, no sir. So he must say so, little body, big head, quagmire. Now the quagmire thing now. The quagmire basically, the real word of the quagmire is when you find yourself in a sticky position. And that quagmire mean nice sense. But I don't think that Quagmire Deva Bratt attack. He might talk about the quag. I think he's talking about the Quagmire will come in a Family Guy. Say him name the pum pum like vampire. How you know? How you know that, Deva? You know what? Hold on. Yeah, man. So anyway, we move on. Yes. So he must say, he must tell him if he wrong flag or frag or flatting a flag. Me don't know which one if I rainbow flag in my talk, but you know what? Me could go further. I be things just Deva Bratt chat you. Go ahead, Deva, go ahead.
Mac fire, what fire? Already dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. So what am I do? Tarnish me name me rising.
Hold on, before you go in that second chorus. So I must say already dopey them dead and gone. In still a fire. This is going to have some vengeance now, man. Yo, how we have in your heart, so? All the dopey you want to kill, brother, we're dead already? Chacha. No, sir. No, alright, Debra. Go on.
Rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. Them never wash out, Deva Bratt no homage. So what am I do? Tarnish me name me rising rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. We are not gonna fly like poetry. Shakura and Zebra get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention. I couldn't liquor them a drink a must.
Hold on. As I said, Deva Bratt is a man in go hard. Alright. So he must say Zebra and Jacure get sentenced, right? Because he mentioned Jacure and Zebra. Well, Jacure and Zebra got sentenced twice. You see me? No joke about it. So they got that sentence twice. Zebra got sentenced twice for sexual offense, right? Jacure got sentenced twice. One is for sexual offense and the next one is for assault or attempt murder. One of them when he stab a guy. Me don't know which one of the sentence in my talk, but because me mentioned Jacure and Zebra, maybe at the sexual offense he might try to mention to bring up in point, right? So he must say, them get sentenced and him and think they get sentenced too. So we're going to hear some more point where he might talk. We're going to go back into the song like a further and catch it all, right?
Jacure and Zebra get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention. I couldn't liquor them a drink, I must see mad suspicious. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun them a clap and no prom push this. The bush master get the you can't ambush this.
I think he might talk, brother. Me think I just jack him my talk about. He might talk about so only passive, brother. Alright, so he mentioned say them man they get sentenced. He man Jacure and thing there, and then him say Sean man him get sentenced, right? Now he must say the liquor, the fever we might talk about. I guess the fever we might talk about is the straight vibe rum, because straight vibes will have some different flavors. And one of them is the fever. So I guess he might talk about say he drink too much of the fever. And then he must say he drink mad suspicious. No, mad sus basically is what that guy then? One of the guys them will get sent. I think the sus then call him mad. Anyway, I one of the guy that he might talk, right? And then he must say, Shorty catch him and give somebody kiss.
I'm fire!
Hey boy, we are telling you about Debra. A long time I know you, brother, but boy, you have some things in your heart, man. Anyway, go ahead.
Shoulda duck you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with a 18 a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in a it. In a white under your nose, no make no banana slip. Bust a peel, you shoulda get 15 years more. You touch Lisa hype from 15 years old. The AR-15, it 15 years old. Me clap it, pan rapid and hit the near toll. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle.
Well on there before you So the man say Vybz Kartel touch Lisa hype. Now Lisa hype or Lisa hyper is a member, or maybe was, I don't know if he's or was, but maybe it was for now, a member of the Portmore Empire along with the same Deva Bratt. And him say Vybz Kartel touch her when she was 50, from she was 15 years old. Now in the way some serious things that me not even want to go in night, me have to cry. Yeah man, draw for this. Fastest way. Yes. So, yeah, me don't know what I go on this. So, yes, me could left it now. Me could left that part there and go further down the night. You will say that.
Them we varnish, bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. Them never wash out, Deva Bratt no homage. It a record, it a tape, the book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No you say nobody can't fuck pan the Gaza, but you want jet then me see I go pan date. Wait, it a record, it a tape.
Yo, the man said, he said no bad enough is sex pan the Gaza, but in catch him a hug up Jaden.
I'm fire!
Move on.
The poke shot pebble them bigger than a grape. No use and a batty na fuck pan the Gaza. But Ansman brother never straight. What am I trying for? Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy, and no daddy in my fuck. I tell man fi eat the red flag. I so Columbia necktie. Back wire, brain jump out, top frag face when the mug fire. Glock fire, Mac fire. What wire? All when the dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. Fire. Tarnish me name, me rise the rifle, them we varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, do damage, them can't manage. Them never wash out, Deva Bratt, no homage. Homage, homage. Homage.
Alright, now we cut to this one. Guys, song basically done now, I mean. Alright, here we go on now. Here we go on now. After all of the white flag, I think some minute raise the white flag. But here what? So, no question about who am I singing it for. As me say, I sing it for Vybz Kartel. It's a Vybz Kartel, this song. No idea about that. The song itself is a war song. So in a in a war you have to take off your gloves and just chew some fist. And that him I do. Now, me don't know the when me say me don't know the motive. When me say the motive of it basically is if Deva Bratt is looking to, for a comeback in the game, but he might use this a wave for step up, which nothing wrong with that. You understand? Because sometimes at them time you get a chance to shine by knocking off somebody, and he might go after one of the greats. At the time when he was in Portmore Empire, he was one of the lyricists, one of the top lyricists there. So nothing wrong about that. Vybz Kartel was a top lyricist, right? And I don't too, until I don't take for himself, right? But right now, me still have him as one of the underachievers, them out of the pool, because he's a very lyrical guy. I mean, up till this point, me still can't understand why Debra never step up and move up in game, even though him left out of the Portmore Empire at the time when he did, because him left, but that not stop him lyrics from I know, like say Vybz Kartel used to write theme, or nobody used to write theme, so because he left, nobody now write no more. He was one of the man them in the thing where I write. But anyway, the song we want to talk about still. The song bad. That is a very bad song. My personal thing is, me not think Vybz Kartel for reply and respond to this year, right? And if Vybz Kartel amend some build up back some bridges, I think maybe he can build a little bridge with Deva and see where it can work. Or if them the behind the scene I try to make him build him career because he never build him answer him. But me not think him should really answer him still. And me think Deva can build some song for him own a legacy. Because what now is that this a song ya of a Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel no answer it. Now go get no track. Because you can't take this a song ya and play say for instance a Saudi Arabia in a one dance where nobody in a war vibe. You understand? This a song ya can build a couple dub plate off and make a food. But no legacy not there behind the song. I don't know if you understand what I say, but that me talk. No legacy is not behind the song. The song is just for Vybz Kartel. So a lot of energy waste by one man where you could have built your writer. You can build some song where catchy, a little slower, where people can understand when outside of Jamaican culture, and then you make some money off it over a long time. No matter wait till you reach X amount of years where you come like a dinosaur in the business, and all you can talk about is where you used to do and where you used to do, and you don't have nothing for show for it. Zane, because you have talent. If you ever now sing a song, you must can write it for people. So use that the opportunity and use that the time there and build your own legacy. Because you can't really do not know if you draw down Vybz Kartel. As much as you go in the studio if you write a song for him. If Vybz Kartel now answer your song now go get the fire. All it go do, I make man say a bad song man full of lyrics. But I don't really saw it go. At one point Vybz Kartel was like this in writing, he's doing his song. Full of lyrics. Vybz Kartel, you were like that. Vybz Kartel was like that. Idona was like that. And Massacre was like that. Well, loaded with lyrics until them have to tone it down because they realize that no, nobody not really, apart from Jamaica where a couple gunshot bust when the song a play, outside of that, nobody not understand, nobody not the time. They might listen to this song where you can sing along to. Some Charlie Black, some Sean Paul, some Shaggy, Zane, some Beanie Man with full of melodies in them song. Remember that. Anyway, and this me say still, me know what I think about this song. And make me know what I think about my opinion and the song and the holistic up. So as usual, do quick and may I say,